Good morning. It's been a long time since we've had a proper vlog.
It's true.
But we're having a fun day today.
Oh man.
Going on an adventure with some friends. We are going on a hike. To a place called Sogay.
Sogay.
So we're fueling up, I guess.
Yeah.
And gonna eat some breakfast, and then we're meeting people at about 9 o'clock to hit the road.
Yes.
I suddenly feel, after seeing all the green here, that we've been in Mordor the whole time. And this is damn near the Shire.
Yeah, this is something else. We saw grass. There's grass here.
And a snake.
And a snake.
It's, there's grass.
Yeah, grass. Grass is a thing in the world.
Yeah. Clint and I have left the party, but we're gonna rejoin. But they did some what looked to me to be some crazy mountain climbing.
Yeah, there was a steep kind of incline between a really, really small canyon where the water was rushing through. You can climb up the side, and I guess there's something up there, but I don't know.
It was beyond my level of expertise.
Beyond my level of comfort, for sure.
So we were resting, and then we walked to the way station. So now we're just kind of waiting for our group.
Yeah.
But it's really, really pretty.
It's gorgeous.
If you are in the area, do this. I mean, the first part is fairly easy, and you can stop at the river and then just keep it easy, or you can keep going. It's a little more rock climby,
Right.
but really fun. I think we're going to do like a DIY how to do your own trip to the Sogay Waterfalls.
Yep.
This is really cool.
Yep. Definitely worth it.
We'll check in later.
Wow. What a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was really fun.
It was awesome.
You'll have seen that we got some buñuelos,
Oh man.
and they were really good.
That hit the spot.
But now we're nasty, and
Ike's will do that.
we're gonna shower
Yeah.
and eat, and then probably sleep.
Yeah, sleep sounds good. It was a beautiful, beautiful place, though. Wow.
Yeah. I think we'll definitely do like a DIY hike to Sogay video because it's so worth it. It's cheap.
It's super worth it. It's cheap, and it's also very easy to get to.
Yeah, not far.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave you here. We're gonna be clean and be sleepy.